Hi friends, it's Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks, and welcome back to my channel. And friends, if you like budget-friendly, low-sodium, heart-healthy food recipes, subscribe to my channel and join me in my kitchen. And thank you today for stopping by. And what I'm doing today, friends, is on Saturday, for dinner, we had baked Cornish hen with rice and gravy and green beans and potatoes. So I have some leftover uh, green beans and potatoes and a little bit of my Cornish hen. And I don't like to throw away things. So we're going to just do this leftovers today, a leftover soup, a soup made from leftovers. And so I have started out in my pot with some peppers, red peppers, green peppers, and bell peppers, and some onions, a little yellow pepper blend. So I've already started that, and I'm cooking that in a little olive oil. And so to that, I'll be adding, I had a leftover tomato, and I have my leftover green beans and potatoes. And some people, they think soup is only for the winter time. I eat soup all year round. And so I don't like to, like I said, throw away um, good food, especially with the price of foods today, very expensive. So today, what I'm going to do with my leftovers that I had from dinner um, on Saturday, I'm going to make a soup out of this. So in the pot, to this pot, I'm going to add 1 can of low sodium chicken broth. And that's going in with my peppers and onions that I've already started out with. And we'll bring this up to a boil. And then, friends, here's my leftover green beans and potatoes. So I'm going to add this to my pot. Like I say, food is so expensive today. I don't want to throw away anything if I don't have to. And if I can stretch my food and make it budget friendly as well, that's what I do. So I had a leftover half a tomato. So I rough cut this tomato up. I'm going to add this to my pot. Just bring that up a little bit to a boil. And then I also have some baby carrots that I had in the refrigerator. So I'm going to use some of these. And I'm going to put a few of these in here. And I'm also going to add a little bit of frozen corn. And then here is my leftover, what I had left over from my Cornish hen. It was just a little part of the breast part of the Cornish hen, and it had a little gravy left to it. So I am going to add all of this to my soup pot. And friends, this is good for lunch. It's good for dinner. Um, like I said, some people like to feel like soup is only for the winter time. Not me. I like soup any time of the year that I feel like I want soup. That's what I do. So we'll mix all this together. I'm going to bring my camera in just a little bit closer so you can see what's going on in my pot. And we're also going to add a little bit of this tomato paste. We're waiting for that to come to a boil. have some hot water that I have in my tea kettle, so I'm going to add some hot water to this. Because I'm trying to bring up the temperature to bring my soup to a boil, so I don't want to add any cold water. So friends, this is how this is looking so far. So then we're going to add some spices here. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I'm going to add some of this McCormick salt-free vegetable seasoning. This is really, really good. It's got a lot of blend of different vegetables in there. It's got onion, garlic, black pepper, thyme, basil, bell pepper, tomato, seasoning, things like that. So we're going to add some of that in here. And it's salt-free, so that's one reason I like about it. It's one way of getting, some spices in without all the extra salt. We're going to add some onion powder. A little bit of black pepper, not too much, because my Cornish hen and green beans had a little pepper and a little salt on them already. Then I'm going to add a little bit of my complete seasoning. And my label has fallen all apart, but this is my complete seasoning. So we'll just add a little bit of that. I love the flavor of this here. And I think I need to add a little bit more water in here, friends. And one other thing I like to add is some Better Than bouillon, and this is the roasted chicken flavor. And don't use too much of this because it is a little salty. And I try to make my food as low sodium as possible. You can't get away with just totally no salt because everything has a little salt in it. But I do like the flavor of that. It gives my food a little bold flavor. And so we just bring this to a boil. And this is what our soup looks like so far. And friends, I made this all out of what I had left over, so I am not throwing anything away. I do not like to throw things away if I don't have to. Food is too expensive nowadays to be wasting. So I don't believe in wasting. So I'm going to taste this and see if I have enough seasoning in here. I think we can add a little bit more onion powder. I'm going to add just a little bit more tomato paste. And you can make this same soup with fresh vegetables. You know, I'm just using leftovers, but if you're like me and you like soup anytime, then you can make this out of fresh vegetables. It's budget friendly. It's not very costly at all. So again, I have in here my carrots, tomatoes, corn, um, my leftover, a little bit of my leftover Cornish hen, the breast part of it, my green beans. I added a can of low sodium chicken broth, and I even added the gravy that I had left over from the Cornish hen went in here as well. And you just bring this up to a boil. Everything in here is already done, pretty much, except for the corn and the carrots. So they only take a few minutes to cook, but everything else is done. And how I am going to eat my, let me taste this one more time. That's perfect, friend. And again, if you like budget-friendly recipes, low-sodium recipes, heart-healthy recipes, join me in my kitchen and subscribe to my channel at Miss Donzella Cooks. I would love to have you join me. And friends, to my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And for people that are not subscribers to my channel, I thank you for taking the time stopping by to watch my video. And watching the videos is what keeps me in the algorithm. So again, give me a thumbs up if you like it and leave a comment. I love to hear what you have to say about saving a little money here. So my soup is coming to a boil now. I will turn it down and I'll tell you, friends, how I'm going to serve my soup. I made some beautiful cornbread too. This is my cornbread. And so you can eat the soup with the sandwich, but I am going to choose to eat mine with this beautiful cornbread that I made. So I'll show you how this looks so far. We'll dish this up. You may want to let it cook a little longer. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to be serving mine. I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer because I want to get the flavors to marry together. And then I will be adding this nice piece of cornbread. And this is my soup made from leftovers. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, this is Miss Donzella from Miss Donzella Cooks YouTube channel. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would love, absolutely love to have you join me in my kitchen, friends. And thank you so much for stopping by. And have a very blessed day.